Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to craft gears and grow a garden. And let's get straight into the video. So if you want to craft gears, just make your way into any lobby, public or private, and you want to make your way into the middle where you have the guy with the furnace. Now once you find the guy with the furnace, if you look at one of the tables, it'll have a sign saying craft gears. So just make your way over to the table with the hammer on top and click on craft gears, and once you click on craft gears, you have all of these items with the recipes, and you can go ahead and click on into them if you want to craft them. You can also use Roblox to purchase, but you want to craft them, you just want to make sure you have all of these items. Once you have all of these items, it will show up as if you actually have it, so 0 out of 1, 0 out of 1, etc, etc. And once you have all of the items, you just simply hit submit, and then you guys should have the thing. It does take some time. So other than that, that should basically be it. These are currently all of the items, and yeah, I'm not too sure if it does restock after make one. I don't think so, but if it does, then that's good. But anyways, that is basically how to craft gear. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.